for control user. So the connection will go from ballot to VVPAT and from VVPAT to control user. Right? D, V, C. Barak-Dhani cement. You remember Barak-Dhani cement. Once you remember Barak-Dhani cement, ballot to VVPAT to control user. Right? So we can make some. So we do the connection. So this is our ballot unit. This is our ballot unit. And you see, so from ballot unit we will connect it to the VVPAT. So it goes to VVPAT. So you see here top is written. This will be in the top part. So you fix it like this. Next, from VVPAT to conformity. From VVPAT to conformity. So this is again top is marked here. So the top surface will be apart. Once it is connected, we switch on it. It is switch on. So you see, the all start to blink. And now the machine, the control unit will check out whether it has found all the units or not. So it will display. So we will see the display. So it is checking. The machine will take its own time, and we do not have any control over this. So it will check and it will display the time, date, etc., battery percentage, then the number of ready days, etc. Everything it will display. And at the end it will say the EPM is ready. Once the EPM is ready, now it is checking. So you see. So here it is showing the time, date, etc. Then serial number of the control unit, it will diagnose the VVPAT, it will diagnose the ballot unit, everything will be diagnosed by the machine. So machine will take its own time. So you see there was an error. I have not seen it. We have not put the VVPAT in the working condition. So we have to see that the VVPAT is in the working condition. So we have again restarted it because we have just put the VVPAT in the working mode. And can you remember one thing, that number of time you switch on or off, certain number of paper will only be dropped, and there will be no issues regarding number of board casket. Everything will be there in the system. Number of time you on or off, unless and until you clear the system, the boards will remain. So we are not clearing the system. That is CRC we are not doing. Because CRC we cannot do once we seal the machine. We can only see the total, and at the end of the poll we can close it.